I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker, and today I'm going to show you how to make this 2-loop pinwheel bow really simply. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is take some Bowdabra bow wire, and I'm going to cut a piece that's long enough that I can fold it in half and then tuck the ends underneath my mini Bowdabra. So I'm just going to tuck that underneath that. Then I'm going to take my ribbon and I'm going to fold it in half, and I'm going to just take this and do a mountain up in the middle there. And when I say a mountain up, it means that I have like a little mountain and rivers on the other side of the mountain. So it goes in like this, and the reason that I do this is because now it will have a crease. And so now I'm just going to come back over here and again do a little mountain. So this makes it so you don't have to sew. And then I'm going to come down this way and bring this up here like a pinwheel bow. So I'm just going to bring my tail up this way. Then I'm going to take my little Corker ribbons. We're going to lay those down inside here. And then I'm going to take my, you know what, I forgot to put this in. I'm going to take my little pieces here and we're going to make them even. I just want to make sure that I have the same size. I want to fold it in half, and then that way, there we go. We'll put this down in here. Then I'm going to take this, fold it in half to make sure that I have the same, and lay this down in here and bring them apart. And then I'm going to take my Corker ribbon and lay this down into my mini Bowdabra. So, you know, sometimes we'll design things and it'll change a few times. And so I don't ever really worry. I just kind of go with the flow. And you see with Bowdabra, it just makes it so super, super easy. So now the reason that I folded my wire in half is because now I have a slip knot. So I'm just going to pull my slip knot really tight while it's still in the Bowdabra, pull out my bow. I'm going to separate the ends, bring it around to the back. I'm going to tie a knot, and I'm going to double knot it. And then what I'm going to do is take my ponytail holder and I'm going to tie this on here, and again I'm going to knot it. And we'll just tie a knot here and we'll double knot it. And now I'll just clip the ends of my wire. I don't want to clip the ponytail holder, so clip the ends of my wire and shape this out the way that I want it. And we have our little corker in there. Bring this here and shape it, shape out my loops. And then what I'm going to do is take my red ribbon here, bring this around, bring it through my ponytail holder, and bring it back here. And we're just going to tie this off and tie a knot really tight. And I'm just going to knot it one more time. Bring this through here. And oops, if I can get that through there, tie it really tight. Then I'm just going to clip the ends of my ribbon, and that gives me a finished bow, ponytail holder bow that was super, super simple to make, and anybody would love this on a patriotic holiday.